Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn about Polygonal Lasso tool in Photoshop. It is used to select flat edges or straight line on the canvas. To use it, just select the Polygonal Lasso tool from the toolbar and start by creating a point. Make another point on the image which you want to select. As you can see here, a straight line is being formed. Continue making the points. If you have created wrong point by mistake, just press backspace or delete on the keyboard. When you reach the end point, join it with the starting point to create the selection. As you can see, a perfect selection has been made over here. Now let us add a layer mask to it by clicking on the add vector mask over here. By clicking it, the building is being selected, cutting out the sky. Now let us add another sky in the background. Just drag any sky background. I already have the sky background. I will enable it by clicking on the I button over here. In this way, you can use Polygonal Lasso tool to create perfect edge selections in Photoshop and mask it however you want. If you like this video, consider sharing and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.